Hello and welcome to Only Empty Plates. Today we'll be making a quick and easy papaya salad dressing. It's simple, delicious, and goes perfectly with a fresh salad. Let's get started. So here we have a bowl of papaya. Let's add it to the blender. We'll only be using about a cup of it today. Next we'll add some water and then blend. You can decide the consistency based on your preference by adding more or less water. For me, this is a little too thick, so I'll add some more water. Now it has the consistency we want. Let's set the extra water off to the side. So we'll pour it into a bowl. Let's get a bowl to create the dressing. Today we'll only be making enough dressing for one meal. We'll add 1 tablespoon papaya mix. We'll add 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. We'll add a pinch of salt. And dried herbs and black pepper. Using a whisk, we'll blend everything together. Keep in mind we're making a dressing, not a vinaigrette, which should be much more runny. The dressing now has a perfect consistency. Let's set it off to the side and prepare the salad. We'll get a bowl and add some freshly washed spinach. We'll now drizzle over 2 tablespoons of the dressing. Next we'll add some cherry tomatoes, some fresh ground black pepper, some sun-dried papaya seeds, as well as some chopped pecans and Brazil nuts. And there you have it, our papaya dressing served with a spinach salad. The mild bitter taste of the papaya goes perfectly with the nuts and the sweetness of the tomatoes, creating a perfect balance. We encourage you to try this recipe and let us know your experience in the comments section. We've also created a separate video showing what we do with the remainder of the papaya mix. Please subscribe to be notified when new videos are released. Until next time, thanks for watching.